Close-up of the stream, the landing creek, which is tidal. I'm going to walk to the other side of the dam. There's sycamore leaves. Sycamore, which is in South Jersey, it's also called buttonwood. Get ourselves over to the other side of the dam here. Alright, that right there is the end of the dam. We went straight across here. At this point, there's been a breach, maybe on purpose. And all this way, looking into the sun here, all this way, out that way was all the lake. It's a former lake bed now. Gloucester Lake, which, as I said, was used for the water power. For Gloucester Furnace. As I said, this is a ghost town of Gloucester Furnace. Now, it's a little rough going here. There's a holly tree right in front of me here. The lake bed is full of swamp maples and American hollies mostly. Now, the last time the lake was still here may have been 100 years ago. There's the view towards the northeast. There's the dam over there. You can actually drive on that coming in off of County Route 563. But then you got a dead end right there, and you have to do a 5-point turn or whatever. It's difficult on a big truck. Cedar water. Typical cedar water of the Pine Barrens. Grasses in here. Of course, this is, we're looking into the sun now, but lots of grasses down here in the lake bed. Looking across the stream to the American hollies. Looks like the tide's going out at the moment. Some swamp maples right there. Mostly that's what's here. Sometimes American, what do you call it, Atlantic white cedars don't always come back. Sometimes they're replaced by American, geez, I'm fumbling for words here. Sometimes they're replaced by swamp maples and other wetlands trees. Alright, that's enough for here. Now, down here in the lake bed, I've just discovered a very good sized pitch pine. Very nice. That's a good size for one of those trees. Being they were all cut. Ooh, look at that. Where is he? We have a military installation nearby. 177th Fighter Group is headquartered there. There's a very nice pitch pine right there. Very impressive. Not enormous, but good. Looks like the remnants of an old tree stand up there. Yeah. Some more greenbrier to negotiate through. Now I'm running low on battery power, but fortunately I've got a spare here. We're now coming into the upland area of the ghost town. The sun's making this difficult. Okay. Young pitch pines. There's a beautiful example right there. Bunch of them. Sand. Bits of slag from the iron operation. Lots of reindeer lichen. It appears to be tar lichen there. Pine Barren heather. Hudsonia ericoides. Very common in the Pine Barrens. Most of what's here is very common.